I could not have concealed it because it was disclosed already.
Okay, I will let you melt down and have the floor, all you want.
And
We will
since
listen.
no apology is forthcoming, I'm walking out.
You can-
Because clearly,
Mi-
there
mi-
was
mi-
no
Mr. Chairman.
concealment on my part because it was disclosed already.
Disclose?
I'm walking out. It was disclosed by the witness. So what is there to conceal? It was disclosed. The record is very clear.
You know, I remember when we were.
So I
remember when we found out a while ago.
Since there's
you were
no-
very meek as a lamb. You know, I didn't know. I had it in my notes. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not know.
I didn't say that.
No, you were very meek as a lamb. I remember that I was not holding.
That's why
I
I
was not the
said.
chair on the first. You were the first.
That's
And
why
when
I said.
the concealment was done, perhaps not by Matubato, because I was not here at the time, but the concealment was done by you. Because when
How could
Matubato,
there be concealment?
when Matubato was testifying, don't you think it was incumbent upon your part to say, I have information that this guy has been fired. Can we call on the NBI to produce that testimony?
Mr. Matubato already said
to
that.
suspend the
Mr.
hearing.
Matubato has already said
Mr.
that
Chairman,
a case
Mr.
was
Chairman.
filed
In fact-
against him.
Out of respect for everybody, I will
I
suspend
am
the
walking
hearing.
out.
Mr. Chairman.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you then.
Mr. Chairman,
So kino-confirm nyo rin po, kasi yun din po ang sabi niya sa amin. When I say sa amin po, hindi ko lang po tinutukoy yung pag-testify niya po dito sa dalawang hearings last September 15 and September 22, kundi yung pag-i-interview ko rin po sa kanya. Kaya marami po akong mga detalye sa kwento niya. So, kino-confirm nyo na naging kasama siya ng Scout Rangers. Kasi ganun din po ang pagkakasabi sa amin. Nag-umpisa doon sa CHDF noong 1977, tapos umalis siya ng airborne sa Kalinan, Malagos, Davao City. Lumipat sila, and then napunta sila sa Scout Ranger Unit sa Philippine Army, sa ilalim ni Colonel Lorenzana, nagsanay sa Scout Ranger Class of 1982 sa ilalim ni Captain Gutierrez. Mula 1982 hanggang 1988, nanatili daw po siya sa Scout Rangers bilang miyembro ng CAFGO hanggang kinuha siya mismo ni Mayor Duterte noong 1988. Alam niyo po ba yung mga detalye na yon, o yung pagkakaalam niyo lang, sinabi niyo ay yung nasa Scout Ranger siya?
Yung detalye na yan, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Yung mga detalye.
Yeah.
Okay. Siyempre po, katulad siguro ng iba na mga pinatawag namin ngayon, hindi nyo aaminin na merong Davao Death Squad.
Wala pong Davao Death Squad, Your Honor. Media hype lang yan.
Hindi rin nyo po aaminin na merong Lambada Boys. Yun daw po kasi, yung pinaka-original na grupo, na 7 lang daw po sila. Kasama si Edgar Matubato, Lambada Boys. Narinig nyo ho ba
Your
ang
Honor,
Lambada Boys? Narinig nyo syempre DDS, pero sabi nyo media hype. How about Lambada Boys? Have you ever heard?
never, Your Honor.
Never.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, since you have not heard of Lambada Boys, sasabihin nyo rin siguro na you have not heard of the other alleged members of the alleged Lambada Boys according to Mr. Matubato. Ludi Pagidupon, kilala o hindi? Narinig
Narinig.
na o hindi?
Nakikita at narinig ko yan, Your Honor.
Tony Estaco, kilala nyo? Narinig nyo na? Etc.
The name is very familiar sa akin, Your Honor.
So narinig nyo si Ludi Padigupon, narinig
Yes,
nyo
yes.
na rin si Tony Estaco, Jojo Bosa.
Wala, Your Honor.
Di mo po kilala.
Hindi po.
Romel Capitana.
Hindi po.
Hindi. Inchik Tan.
Hindi po.
Boboy Maldito.
Pamilyar sa akin.
Pamilya. Ano ho ba yung bangkerohan? Lugar ho ba yan? Grupo? Or what? Have you heard of bangkerohan?
Is pangalan po yun, Your Honor, ng public market.
Public market. Sabi po ni Mr. Matubato, itong si Tony Estaco, si Jojo Bosa, si Romel Capitana, si Inchik Tan at si Boboy Maldito, mga taga-bangkerohan. Itong si Ludi Pagidupon, sabi nyo, narinig nyo, na kung sino si Ludi Pagidupon. Sa pagkakaalam nyo, sino po ba si Ludi Pagidupon?
Nakita ko yan, Your Honor, kasi yan si Lodi Pagilopon is, he was yata a cousin of SPO4 Teodoro Pagilopon, pero nag-retire na yan last year. Nag-retire siya as senior inspector, if I'm not mistaken.
Kilala nyo ho ba siya personal? Nakita nyo na ho ba siya?
Kung kilala personal, hindi. Kung nakita, yes.
Nakita nyo na.
Yes.
Sabi po ni Edgar Matubato, formerly Army Scout Ranger din daw po si Ludi Pagidupon, pero detailed po siya sa Ecoland Terminal. Alam nyo yung Ecoland Terminal?
Pagkalam, yes, Your Honor. Pagkalam ko po kay Lodi Pagilopon, he was a member of the RRA, the Rebel Returnees Association.
So, rebel returnee po siya, former rebel returnee. Sabi po ni Mr. Matubato, yung mga ilang miyembro ng DDS ay yung mga sinasabing mga rebel returnees. Nung nag-expand daw po yung sinasabi ni Mr. Matubato na una, Lambada Boys, naging DDS, ay meron na rin daw sila ng mga kasamahan ng mga rebel returnees. So sinasabi nyo pala ngayon, si Ludi Pagidupon was also a former rebel returnee. Correct?
Yun po, Your Honor, ang pagkalam ko.
At sabi pa ni Mr. Matubato, si Ludi Pagidupon daw ang nag-recruit sa kanya para sumama kay Mayor Duterte. Pero si Mayor Duterte ang parang nag-utos kay Pagidupon na kunin siya. Hindi niyo po alam yon.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Gaano po kayo ka-close kay Mr. Matubato?
Yung closeness po namin, Your Honor, is yung nirecommend ko yan way back 1998. That was the first creation of the Island Garden City of Samal. Kasi po, si dating pare na nakilala ko through a common friend.
Si former mayor.
Yes po,
Correct.
si Mayor Roger Antalan.
Mayor Roger Antalan, sinabi rin po ni Mr. Matubato, former mayor, pare siya. Siya daw ho nagkasal
Ako
kay
na-
Mayor Duterte?
Hindi ko po alam.
Okay, so ano po, again, how close were you?
Ako po ang nag-recommend kay
With,
Mr.
Edgar.
Matubato doon kay Father Roger Antalan.
Para
And
maging
then-
ano po?
Parang escort niya kasi naghingi siya ng kung sino pwede makasama niya. So na-recommend ko si Edgar Matubato since Edgar Matubato is taga doon din sa Samal. Pagkakilala ko po sa kanya, Your Honor, is mabuting tao.
Si Matubato.
Yes. So, nirecommend ko yan kay Mayor Roger Antalan. Nung na-elect siya, pagkaalam ko, na-employ siya sa City Hall, sa Island Garden City of Samal. So, in 3 terms po,
Empleyado si Mr. Matubato sa Island Garden City of Samal, hindi ng Davao City.
yes po, yun pa pagkaalam ko.
Okay, so is your word against his word? Sige po.
That was
Go ahead.
1998. Yung 3 terms po ni Mayor Antalan, employed si Edgar Matubato doon. Bakit siya naging close sa akin? Kasi po, merong 3 portion na property na pinagkatiwala sa akin nung buyer ng property. Ang nangyari po ganito, nung bumaba po ang kupra, kasi yung party ko is 1/3, at saka malayo ang lugar sa Samal, may portion din na malayo. Kung hindi ka magsakay ng motorized bangka, hindi mo ma-reach yung lugar. Since Edgar Matubato is nandoon, nirecommend ko sa may-ari na kung pwede, si Edgar na lang ang magbantay doon, ako ang mag-supervise.
So, totoo po na dati po siyang caretaker ni Mayor Antalan.